Hey there, it's your friend Luan here, and this is a quick demo video of Allure. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how Allure works and how it will help you to get more page one rankings for your websites, okay? But basically, Allure solves a main problem because with Allure, you will no longer need to have one plugin for analyzing your SEO, another plugin for backlinks, another one for post indexing, for example. Allure will do everything for you inside of one dashboard. Okay, so that's the special thing about Allure. Also, it will help you to get better page one rankings on Google, and will get more traffic, more sales to any WordPress site you have. So this is amazing. Okay, it's a powerful WordPress plugin, and I'm gonna show you now how it works. So I started here Allure in this website, and the first thing I want to show you is the keyword idea generator and tag generator. So I go to post here, add a new post, and for example, let's say I'm doing a post for weight loss. So weight loss, save as a draft here. And I want to find some keyword ideas to use in my post. And also I want to generate some tags. As you know, if you use WordPress, if you use the tags, you can get the traffic from related keywords. Okay, so tags is very important on WordPress. So let me say I want to find some tags about weight loss to get ideas for my post and my title, and also I want to add some good tags that will get me related traffic from Google. So I put weight loss here, for example, and will instantly give me a bunch of keywords that I can use in my post. And also I can check all these tags here and add these keywords here and add them as a tag. So I will add here as tags, and we will instantly add all these as tags in my post. Okay, so I can quickly find the tags and find keyword ideas for my post. Okay, and I can quickly publish this, and that's it. That's awesome. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is backlinks. Of course, SEO, you need to do a lot of backlinking for your websites because this will be a huge help in your rankings. So here with Allure, you can create backlinks for any URL, any link you have. Okay, so let's say I want to create a backlink campaign for my website. I just put my link here, my main keyword, and I select how many backlinks I want. So I want 25 backlinks for this one. And I click create backlinks. And that's everything I need to do. Also, I can see all my backlink campaigns here, okay? The backlink campaigns that get completed, that get in process. Also, I can open this, view my backlinks. I can download PDF report of the backlinks. So you can see here, this is a PDF report. This is my logo here. You can change this logo if you want. You just go to settings here, and then you add your own company logo or your own logo, and it will appear here instead of my picture here. Okay, so that's my logo. You can add any logo you want. So that's backlinks. You can create these unlimited campaigns of backlinks that you want. So it's very amazing. The next thing you have is tags manager. And what tags manager will do is auto create tags for all your posts. So let's say you have a bunch of posts, all the posts that you have inside of your WordPress, and you don't want to go one by one adding tags on them. So you just go here, click tag all posts, and we'll create the tags automatically for all the posts inside of your website. How amazing is that? Okay. The next thing I want to show you is social syndication. Social syndication will enable you to put social share buttons in your entire site so people can quickly share your content and you get social signals for your website. Social signals is huge for SEO, for more traffic, for almost everything is on social media now. So you really need this. So I just put the social share buttons I want to show up here. Then I auto display on posts, on pages, or on media. I hit save changes, and we'll add buttons on my entire website. Okay, so if I visited the website here and I click on one of my posts, you can see all the social share buttons here where people can quickly, or you yourself can quickly share your posts on social media easily. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you is the SEO Analyzer feature. This will instantly analyze any website you want and will check if your SEO is good, what you can do better, and all that cool stuff. Okay, so I just click Run SEO Report. I put the main URL here, so a main link I want. So I want to analyze my website. Then I put a keyword to analyze, so weight loss, for example, and I click Generate SEO Analysis. And we will instantly generate a report where I can see here the report is completed. So I click View SEO Report, and I can see the SEO score. I can see the URL analysis, page speed, title analysis. I can also see suggestions for a better SEO score. So if I get a better SEO score, of course I get better rankings, and of course more traffic, more customers, more sales for my websites. Okay. Also, I can download this as a PDF. So if I click here, download as PDF, you can see you have a full PDF report with everything and with your SEO score. And you can add any logo here on the PDF report as well. You just need to go here, SEO configuration, select your logo, and this will instantly add a logo inside of the report. Okay, so very, very cool feature. The next thing I want to show you is the one-click post indexer, and this will allows you to index any post in just seconds. If you have a post and you are not indexed on Google, there's no reason to have a post in your website. Okay, you need to index your posts, and the best way to index your posts is to send your posts to Google Webmaster Tools. So here you have a list of all your posts, and you can quickly copy the link of any post you have. You can open your Google Webmaster Console. Okay, you select your property, so here. Then you inspect your URL that you want. And you submit to Google indexing, okay, request indexing here. Okay, the indexing request was sent, so now you will be quickly indexed by Google, and this is the best way to index your posts. Submit them to the Google Webmaster Tools, and you can do this easily with Allure. Okay, so that's all the features you have inside of Allure. It's a very special plugin, works with any WordPress site that you have. So if you are looking for more traffic, more sales, more rankings, more customers, as you know, Google traffic is the best one, and Allure will help you with that and will help you with your SEO. Okay, so that's Allure. Thanks so much for watching, and we see you inside.